you have to stay agile. And the way our tech stack enables that is we are very focused on innovation. My name's Andrew Quist. I am president of SecurityNational Mortgage Company. We are an independent mortgage bank and a retail mortgage bank. We are licensed in 48 states. Our biggest states are Utah, Texas, Nevada, Arizona, and Hawaii, interestingly enough. And primarily we serve the southern half of the United States. We win in today's market by our unique structure at Security National. So we are part of a family of financial services companies. We are publicly traded, but closely held and majority controlled by the Quist family. We have a unique structure and a unique opportunity to have the transparency of a public company, but to have the stability and long-term thinking of a closely held entity. Security National was founded by my grandfather in 1965. And so we have a very family-oriented culture and ethic. That comes with a long-term vision for growth and for stability at our organization. But as a publicly traded company, we also have the transparency that comes with that. We are part of a family of companies. So we have life insurance, we have real estate, we have cemeteries and mortuaries. But that family of companies gives us the opportunity to provide unique loan products to our originators. And so we win and we are unique in this environment because we have portfolio products that we can offer our loan officers that no one else has. We hold those on balance sheet and we give our loan officers tools to compete in this environment. We try to create a family environment at Security National and make sure people feel like they are part of our family, that they are a member of something greater than themselves. The right partnerships are extremely important in today's environment. If you don't have the right partnerships, there is no way you will survive in today's mortgage environment. Our capital markets philosophy, our lock desk philosophy is one of collaboration, is really something that I think sets us apart. We encourage our loan officers, we encourage our producers to reach out to the lock desk, to work proactively on solutions to the problems that they're facing. And so that is something that we emphasize, is that communication and transparency. Some people like to shut secondary off, shut the lock desk off. Not us. We encourage that communication and that workaround. We also enjoy the transparency that comes with being a publicly traded company. Everyone can see exactly what our secondary gain is on any given quarter. And I think that's a good thing. Poly is a fantastic partner of ours. The thing we really were looking for in a partner with Poly was someone that was forward-thinking, someone that had the right technology stack to compete in today's environment. Someone that was not burdened by legacy systems and someone that was going to be able to grow in today's environment and change and scale. And that's something that Poly has done tremendously. They have taken advantage of the new technology that is out there and really made our lock desk an area of strength at Security National. A prime example of what that has done for us is we are a company that did $2.3 billion in originations last year in 2025. We have 2 lock desk individuals. Poly enabled that because of the automation and the ease of use of Poly. And so that's something that we are very proud of, that we can run lean and yet be a very high touch organization with our producers. That's something that we would not have been able to do without Poly. The automated lock confirmation process is something that is extremely valuable. The fact that when we're relocking that is automatic and that Poly can understand what our relock policies are and implement those flawlessly is something that's really helped us in that partnership. I think the thing that has helped our originators win deals with Poly is the ease at which they can price multiple loan scenarios. They can obviously highlight any number of loan scenarios with their borrower and get that pricing instantly instead of having to price each one individually or separately. So that speed and that transparency has helped tremendously in this environment. You have to stay agile. And the way our tech stack enables that is we are very focused on innovation. And so we spin up apps that help our originators do anything from price loans to work on leases for their branch locations to scenario desk automation. And so we are constantly looking for the most innovative and unique techniques that are out there to improve that stack and stay agile, because it is a shifting market and something that changes all the time. A lot of mortgage companies are looking for ways to take the loan officer out of the origination process. We are looking to empower them and looking for ways to include them more fully in that process, because I believe that there is a space and a customer base that is craving that in this world of increased automation. Another opportunity, or something that I'm focused on, is we want to structure a company that will thrive, and I mean thrive, in any rate environment. I think many companies' strategies and focus today is preparing for a downturn in rates. Well, if we have an extended, elevated rate scenario, that's something that we are also prepared for at Security National. And through enabling builder partnerships with other members of our family of companies, by finding strategic relationships with those builders, we're able to provide unique loan opportunities for our originators that they will have in an elevated rate environment. So we want to be structured for whether rates are in the 6s, in the 7s, or in the 5s, and provide a stable environment and platform for our loan officers to thrive in any of those rate environments. We have a real focus through our life insurance company partnership, where we are providing acquisition and development financing and providing construction financing for home builders. And we're providing this for small to mid-size home builders that are really out there producing affordable housing products. And so we work closely with those companies. We have partnerships with those companies to provide those housing opportunities. And we work and put our loan officers in those communities to make sure we can get people qualified to buy those homes. We work very closely with our home builders so that they are constructing houses and opportunities that will be affordable, that will provide places to live for the majority of the people in the United States.